The Tyrrhenian Sea is part of the Mediterranean Sea off the western coast of Italy. It is named for the Tyrrhenian people, identified since the 6th century BCE with the Etruscans of Italy. Geography. The sea is bounded by Corsica and Sardinia, the Italian peninsula to the east, and Sicily. The maximum depth of the sea is 3,785 meters. The Tyrrhenian Sea is situated near where the African and Eurasian plates meet, therefore mountain chains and active volcanoes such as Mount Marsili are found in its depths. The Aetolian Islands and Ustica are located in the southern part of the sea, north of Sicily. Extent. The International Hydrographic Organization defines the limits of the Tyrrhenian Sea as follows. In the Strait of Messina, a line joining the north extreme of Cape Aci with the east extreme of the island of Sicily, Cape Elora. On the southwest, a line running from Cape Lilibeo to the south extreme of Cape Tulada in Sardinia. In the Strait of Bonifacio, a line joining the west extreme of Cape Testa in Sardinia with the southwest extreme of Cape Fenna in Corsica. On the north exits. There are 4 exits from the Tyrrhenian Sea. Basins. The Tyrrhenian Sea is divided into 2 basins, the Vavilev Plain and the Marsili Plain. They are separated by the undersea ridge known as the Issel Bridge, after Arturo Issel. Name. Its name derives from the Greek name for the Etruscans, who were said to be emigrants from Lydia and led by the Prince Tyrrhenus. The Etruscans settled along the coast of modern Tuscany and referred to the water as the Sea of the Etruscans. Ports. The main ports of the Tyrrhenian Sea in Italy are Naples, Palermo, Civitavecchia, Salerno, Trapani and Gioia Tauro. In France, the most important port is Bastia. Note that even though the phrase "Port of Rome" is frequently used, there is in fact no port in Rome. Instead, the "Port of Rome" refers to the maritime facilities at Civitavecchia, some 68 kilometers to the northwest of Rome, not too far from its airport. Giglio Porto is a small island port in this area. It rose to prominence when the Costa Concordia ran aground a few meters off the coast of Giglio and sank. The ship was recently removed and towed to Genoa. Winds. In Greek mythology, it is believed that the cliffs above the Tyrrhenian Sea house the 4 winds kept by Aeolus. The winds are the Mistral from the Rhone Valley, the Libeccio from the southwest, and the Sirocco and Nostro from the south. Gallery. Monte Argentario, Pizzo, Zambrone, Parghelia, Ponza, Capo Vaticano, Silla, Tandari, Cefalù, Palermo, Castellammare del Golfo, Capo Misena, Terracina,